Take a pause for a moment. Wherever you are right now, stop multitasking. Sit still. Breathe in deeply, then let it go. Ask yourself one honest question. Am I actually living, or am I just passing time? Almost everyone wants the same things: freedom, money without constant stress, a calm mind, confidence, respect, love, a life that feels meaningful when you wake up in the morning. People dream about traveling, building something of their own, speaking with confidence, feeling proud of who they are, and looking in the mirror without regret. But here's the uncomfortable truth most people avoid. Wanting a better life means nothing if your daily actions don't match your dreams. What are you doing today, right now, that moves you closer to the life you say you want? Are you building skills, or are you just scrolling? Are you taking responsibility, or are you hiding behind excuses? Are you acting, or are you waiting for motivation, luck, or the right time? This is not a rehearsal. There is no second round. You don't get another version of this life to fix your mistakes. This moment is not practice, it is the main event. I'm not here to flatter you or give you temporary motivation. I'm here to give you the truth. And sometimes the truth hurts before it heals. If you truly want to change your life, you must stop listening with your ears only. Listen with urgency. Listen with honesty. Listen as if your future depends on it, because it does. Let's talk about how people waste their lives, and more importantly, how to stop. 1. Time is not something you have. Time is who you are. People say they're killing time, but the reality is the opposite. Time is slowly killing you. Every delay, every unnecessary hour lost, every promise you break to yourself takes something you will never get back. When you say, "I'll start tomorrow," tomorrow quietly steals from your future. When you sleep through alarms, drown in entertainment, or distract yourself endlessly, you're not relaxing. You're trading your life for comfort. You may not feel it today, but time never stops moving. Your energy changes. Your parents age. Opportunities pass. Dreams don't wait forever. Treat your time like your most valuable possession, because it is. Plan your days. Remove distractions. Invest your hours into learning, building, and growing. Time rewards those who respect it and punishes those who ignore it. 2. Responsibility is the moment life begins. Blame feels good because it removes pressure, but blame also removes power. Your parents, your past, your education, your environment. These things may explain your situation, but they do not control your future. The moment you accept full responsibility for your life is the moment you regain control. People who win are not the ones with perfect beginnings. They are the ones who decide that no matter what they were given, they will create something better. Stop asking why life was unfair. Start asking what you can build with what you have. Write down your problems, then write down actions, not excuses. Ownership turns pain into progress. 3. Comfort is the most dangerous addiction. Comfort feels safe, but it quietly destroys ambition. The routines that feel easy today often become the cages you regret tomorrow. Growth demands discomfort. Confidence comes from action. Skill comes from repetition. Courage comes from doing things before you feel ready. If you want to improve your English, speak even when you sound awkward. If you want a better career, apply even if you fear rejection. If you want change, step into situations that stretch you. Discomfort is not the enemy, it's the doorway. 4. Later is a lie that sounds polite. When people say they'll do it later, what they usually mean is, "I'm afraid. Later becomes next week. Next week becomes next year. And next year becomes regret. The people who succeed are not braver than you. They simply act before confidence arrives. Action creates clarity, not the other way around. If something matters to you, start immediately. Not perfectly, just honestly. One imperfect step today beats a flawless plan that never begins. 5. Thinking too much is another form of fear. Planning has value, but overthinking is paralysis. Many people exhaust themselves mentally before they ever move physically. You don't need to know every answer to begin. You need momentum. Speak, write, train, build, learn while moving. No one learns to swim by studying water forever. At some point, you must jump in. 6. Become the person who does what others avoid. Be the one who shows up early, the one who keeps going quietly, the one who practices when no one is watching. You don't need applause. You don't need permission. Discipline is louder than words, and results speak for themselves. Each morning, ask yourself, what would the strongest version of me do today? Then, do that. 7. The real competition is you versus you. Your greatest obstacle is not the world, it's the part of you that chooses comfort over growth. Every day, you decide which version of yourself you feed. The disciplined one or the distracted one, the focused one or the fearful one. Track your progress. Celebrate small wins. Identity is built through repeated choices. 8. Willpower is trained, not found. Feelings change. Discipline remains. If you only act when motivated, you will live inconsistently. Strong lives are built by people who act even when they don't feel like it. Start small. Keep promises to yourself. The more you honor your word, the stronger you become. 9. Comparison steals joy and momentum. Social media shows highlights, not reality. Comparing your entire life to someone else's best moments is unfair and destructive. Your path is yours. Measure progress against who you were yesterday, not who someone else is today. 10. Choose your mentors carefully. Advice is only valuable when it comes from experience. Listen to people who have walked the road you want to travel. Protect your vision. Too many dreams die from careless opinions. 11. Choose yourself before the world does. No one is coming to validate you early. Belief must start with you. Apply, create, speak up, begin. The world responds to those who move first. 12. A meaningful life requires risk. Every powerful story includes uncertainty. Playing it safe leads to comfort, not fulfillment. Take calculated risks. Accept temporary fear in exchange for long-term growth. 13. Time does not wait for readiness. There is no perfect moment. Life is always imperfect. Start anyway. The cost of delay is invisible at first, but brutal later. 14. No one is coming to save you, and that is freedom. When you realize no one is watching closely, you gain permission to try, fail, and try again. Use pain as fuel, not an anchor. 15. Why not now? Ask yourself honestly, what am I waiting for? Fear will always be present. Begin anyway. 16. You are allowed to rebuild your life. You are not stuck. You are not late. You are capable of change. Burn old habits. Create new ones. Design a life that reflects who you are becoming. 17. Other people's expectations are not your destiny. Living to please everyone leads to silent regret. Choose courage over approval. 18. Pain can either break you or shape you. Use hardship as training. Let struggle refine you. 19. Feed focus. Starve distraction. Your future grows where your attention goes. 1 year of deep focus can change everything. 20. Life owes you nothing, but effort changes everything. Success is earned daily. Demand more from yourself than you expect from the world. If you're struggling right now, hear this. You are not finished. This chapter is not the end. Find a dream. Protect it. Work for it relentlessly. You are stronger than you think. You are earlier than you believe. And your story is still being written. Stand up. Start moving. Your future is waiting.